Now we are discussing about money making opportunities. In that, today we are discussing about offer digital marketing services. Marketing consultants help business owners attract their target audiences and improve sales performance. Provide SEO services to help sites rank higher on search engine results pages. That is, search engine results pages shortly will be called as SERPs, and receive more traffic and generate leads. You can also offer social media management services by planning and executing marketing plans on various social media platforms. These activities encourage better audience interaction and brand recognition. An excellent social media manager keeps up with the trends, identifies a brand's target audience, and tracks social media data for better results. If you use WordPress, many resources are available to help you learn WordPress SEO. Consider getting an SEO certificate from a reputable platform like SEMrush Academy, or take a Google Analytics Academy course to deepen your knowledge. You can also take social media marketing courses and learn about the relevant tools, concepts and strategies. There are excellent digital marketing resources on Coursera is also available, and social media marketing. Coursera is one software tool to understand digital marketing resources, and as well as training also. And social media marketing courses on Udemy is also available. Social media marketing courses. When you are ready to monetize your skills, Udemy is also one sort of software. It will also provide social media marketing courses. It is only course providing software, so you can purchase a course by nominal amount. Then you can read, hear, and review so many times, and you can expertise in that. When you are ready to monetize your skills, offer your services on job marketplaces like Fiverr and Freelancer, or consider applying to a marketing agency as a digital marketer for a long-term career in this field. This is the information regarding digital marketing services. You can offer digital marketing services. Suppose if you are an employer, suppose if you are an employee or a freelancer, you can get offers from the employers. Likewise, you can do so many works and you can earn a lot. Wishing you all the best.